Let us look into the program of factorial of a number using recursion function. The main purpose of this program is to write a recursive C function to find the factorial of number n factorial defined by fact of n is equal to 1 if n is equal to 0. If the value of n is equal to 1, then the NCR will be computed by using the formula fact of n is equal to n star fact of n minus 1. This program also demonstrates recursion along with functions. The input for this program will be the values of n and r, and the output is it displays the binomial coefficient NCR. Now let us discuss the program to compute binomial coefficient NCR. As we all know, the very first line is the preprocessor directive along with the header file stdio.h, and one more header file is conio.h. Next, we are writing a function to compute the factorial of a given number. Here int is a return type and fact is the function name. To this function we are passing one argument n of type integer. This whole function computes the factorial of a given number. Next, we have the main function. As we know that execution of a program always starts from the main function. Inside the main function we have declared three variables n, r and result are of type integer data type. Here n and r are the input variables and result is a output variable. Next, we have the clear screen which is used to clear the output screen. So using printf function we have entered a statement, that is enter the value of n and r. This statement will be printed on the output screen. So to read the values for the variable n and r, we have used a function called scanf. After reading the value for the variable n and r, we need to compute the NCR by using the formula fact of n divided by fact of n minus r star fact of r. The computed result will be stored in the variable res. Since we are using functions, we need to pass the value of n by the function fact. That value will be passed to the function int fact int n. If the value of n is equal to 0, then return 1. If the value of n is greater than 1, we need to compute the value factorial of the variable n value. So after computing the factorial, that value will be passed to the main function. So like this, we will going to compute the fact of n minus r and fact of r. So then finally we are printing the result that will be stored in the variable res. Then terminate the program. As I have explained in the program, the factorial of a given number is computed by using recursion function. Here fact is a function. In this function we are computing the factorial value. So here the value of n will be passed in this function. So if the value of n is equal to 0, then return 1. If the value of n is greater than 0, then we have to compute the factorial by using the formula n star fact of n minus 1. As you can observe here, fact is a function and the function name we are mentioned as fact. Here inside the main function I am calling the same function. Okay, it defines a recursion. Recursion is nothing but function calling itself, that is called recursion. So here let's trace this program by taking the values for the variable n and r. So the value of n is equal to 5 and r is equal to 3. NCR will be computed by using the formula factorial of n divided by n minus r factorial star r factorial. So now let's compute the factorial for the number 5. Okay, here n star fact of n minus 1. The value of n is equal to 5 star fact of n minus 1, that is 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Again I am calling the same function called fact. For the value 4, again I will going to compute the factorial. So 5 star 4 star fact of 3. So since in the formula we have used n minus 1, the value will becomes 3. So then let's compute the factorial for the value 3. 3 star fact of n minus 1 is equal to 2. So then 5 star 4 star 3 star 2 star fact of 1. Then the factorial of 5 will be equals to 120. After computing the factorial of 5, we need to compute the factorial for n minus r. So n minus r, that is 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So 2 factorial is equal to 2. Then we need to compute r factorial. The value of r is equal to 3. Then the factorial of 3 is equal to 6. Okay, whatever the values I have computed for 5 factorial, 2 factorial and 3 factorials will be evaluated to this formula, that is n factorial divided by n minus r factorial star r factorial. So NCR is equal to 10 for the given numbers n is equal to 5 and r is equal to 3. Now the program is ready for compilation and execution. Let's compile this program by using the command Alt F9. This program has 0 errors and 0 warnings. So now check the output of this program by entering the value of n and r. So value of n is equal to 5 and value of r is equal to 3. Okay, the NCR is 10.00 for the given values n is equal to 5 and r is equal to 3. This program computes binomial coefficient NCR.